So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 117,800. It's 838, of course. And the all-time high it has created is at 118,400. It has missed out our target by $1,600, our target being 120, because we have been yapping about this 120K range from a very long time. And I've said that if it stabilizes above $110,000, you can start seeing it creating its journey towards 120K, and it did go up and hit the area 118,400. Now it has closed 2 daily candles above 110 as well, and of course today is the third day, the third candle that is in action. Now we can only get bearish on Bitcoin if it loses 110. Then we can start talking about downward journey, and it is again going to be a very simple case scenario. Below 110, our full and final stop will be 102,500. That is going to be the last bullish support. Losing that will help us send Bitcoin all the way down towards 74K. But we will talk about bearish case scenario when we get there. At this stage, we can only talk about bullish case scenarios. It has missed our target by $1,600, so we still need to talk about 120. As long as it holds 110, we'll talk about 120. And of course, even at the time it started going up, I told you that it will be in pieces. First target will be 115, then the next will be 120, 115 being the psychological target area. It doesn't matter because it's a price discovery. That's why we go for numbers that are easy to remember for people, and they generally target 115 and 120, and I have already explained why. People wouldn't say that I'm targeting 113,800. They would rather go for 115. It's a better psychological number. And that's pretty much it. I don't think there is anything else to add. If we talk about Bitcoin from the perspective of larger story, as in that we want to see Bitcoin overstretching. That is a possibility. The possibility of that happening is it can overstretch to 130 by an extra $10,000. That can happen. But at the end of the day, all this overall noise that we are seeing from 110 to 118,000, it's actually a move of 6% only. So moving up another 6% to go and hit 130 and making a total move of 12 to 14% from 110 to 130 is not the end of the world. I mean, 14% is an everyday move in crypto anyway. So if Bitcoin does it once in a while, I don't think it's the end of the world. It's very, very normal. And that's pretty much the maximum case scenario and the exaggerated case scenario I can offer you for Bitcoin. I cannot go beyond 130, and I'm doing it just for the sake of our beloved moon boys. Otherwise, my story is still around 120. That is the area I'm interested in. I would like it to stabilize above 120, start living above it for more than 2 days. Then I would see 130, and we'll talk about it once we get there. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Congratulations to all those who got their targets hit, and I'll see you next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.